All right, I'm going to quickly walk through the functionality for Challenge 1 of Bamazon. Bamazon is the Week 12 homework assignment for the Coding Bootcamp at UCLA Extension. You can see here in the README, Challenge 1 with all of the tasks required. You can view this README on GitHub. So the first 4 steps are just to create the database and then the table called products and populate that with some info. I've already done that here in MySQL Workbench. You can see Bamazon, it's got this table called products inside of it. I've already filled that with some data. So I'm going to jump right in and run the Bamazon customer JavaScript file. You can see on start, the user is presented with this nice table. It shows the ID number, the product name, department, the price, and the quantity available for every single item that's in the database. This is some extra functionality that I added. The user can select multiple items here to add to their cart instead of purchasing just one. So I'm going to go ahead and select a bunch of these just so I can show you how this works. So I'm going to add some of this stuff to my cart, and I am finished. You can see Slumber Fresh Pillow is running low. That's a good example. I'll get to that in a second. So I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm prompted. I'm asked how many of each item I would like to purchase. I'm going to do 1 headphone, 2 Amazon Fire TVs, the Hot Wheels rig. I'll go ahead and buy 5 of those, 1 Lego playset, Bic pens. We'll add 4 of those. Now here's some extra functionality. These are actually all validated to make sure that we have enough quantity available in stock. So you'll see with Slumber Fresh Pillow we only have 2, so I'm going to try to enter 5, and I'm alerted, oops, we only have 2 of those in stock. So basically, this is all validated. Let's say I just want 1, which is less than 2 obviously, so that's going to work. Now I'm shown this cart. This is my cart with all of the items that I've added to it. It shows the quantity for each item that I've added, the item name, and then the total. You'll notice this total is for the number of items. So I have 2 Amazon Fire TVs. Amazon Fire TVs are $99.99. So 2 of them are $199.98. And then I have a grand total here at the bottom of $703.90. Now here's some more functionality that I added to this. It says ready to check out. And if anything here doesn't look right about the cart, I can actually edit the cart. So I click edit cart, and now I'm prompted to select which items from my cart I would like to edit. So let's say, those headphones are really expensive. I changed my mind on those. I don't need that many pens, so I'm going to edit those. And I don't really need a new pillow right now. So then for each item that I choose to edit, I'm asked, would I like to remove that from my cart entirely or change the quantity? So I'm going to just remove the headphones. The Bic pens, I still want some, so I'm going to change the quantity from 4 to 2. And then the pillow, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. So now you see this completely up-to-date cart with a new total. So I got rid of the headphones. You see those are no longer there. Bic pens, I had 4, now I have 2. And I removed the Slumber Fresh Pillow. So now I've got this new total. I'm going to click checkout. So it tells me my total. And obviously the database was just updated to reflect the quantity available. So I'm just going to really quickly run this file again just to show you that. So I purchased 2 Amazon Fire TVs. You can see here I had 188. Now there's 186 in stock. And 2 Bic pens. Before we had 198, now we have 196. So that pretty much sums up all of the Challenge 1 functionality.